explore Hong Kong at Queen Road West now for some handmade lanterns. In Sai Ying Pun, every year during the Mid-Autumn Festival and before the Mid-Autumn Festival, these paper offering shops will sell different kinds of lanterns. And this year we found something special. It's the Gam Lei coil and even Nemo. And the most traditional one must be the cellophane one, the star fruits. So star fruits is one of the fruit that is in season during the Mid-Autumn Festival, and also pomelo. So the star fruits would be a very typical fruit that we eat. And the jade rabbit yok tou must be the most popular one. They even have the huge one here, 298. So check out Queen Road West in Sai Ying Pun for these beautiful lanterns. You can also check out Tai Kiu Market in Yuen Long. And in here, you can still find Zhou Ma Dan. That is a traditional lantern that when you light up, the picture will start to move. It costs $388. So mostly you find fish. Fish has a very good meaning in Chinese. 年年有餘. That means there's something left every year that you can bring to the next year. And in Sai Ying Pun, it used to be this street used to be full of lanterns before the Mid-Autumn Festival. But due to urban development, many of the shops are closed and only 4 shops selling lanterns are left. So for here, these are the new generation's lanterns which it can light up and also sing. And here you can find another huge rabbit. So what are the prices? So this fish costs $98. The small one costs $60. Oops. So in the past, you will put lit candle inside. Just like this one, you put lit candle inside in the middle. But to make it more safe, they use the LED light instead. And this is a cellophane aeroplane, $70. So again, if you're looking for something very traditional, then go for the cellophane one and the starfruit one. These rabbits are in different styles, so shiny. And here you can even find, this is owl, I think, and then dragon, and also parrot. Every year before the Mid-Autumn Festival, my grandmother will get these candles for us to play. We will put this candle into a tin box, the mooncake tin box, and she will also get us these glow stick, 螢光棒. We will also put the candle into these very basic paper lanterns. That is only $4 for one. You can also get it in the supermarket. And now, let's check out another one. So these used to be also shops selling lanterns. So for this shop, during the other time of the year, they sell paper offerings. And the Mid-Autumn Festival is a day that family reunites. So here you can see this huge goldfish. So it falls on the 15th day of the 8th lunar month this year, every year. And for this year, it falls on the 21st of September. So this one costs $200. And they have the smaller one. Just now, we also find the lanterns inside the supermarket nearby. they are much expensive. This one costs $99, but it can shine and this fish should be able to sing. So jade rabbit is the rabbit live on the moon with Sang or the moon lady. And then 荧光棒, the glow sticks, is another thing that we play when we are young during the Mid-Autumn Festival with family in the park. But it is less environmental friendly, so I recommend you to play with the candles safely instead. And other giant goldfish here, giant star fruits, and also the giant jade rabbit. So for the jade rabbit, usually they come in colorful rabbit and also the white one. So every year we will also get one and put it at home. So later I will tell you which one I decided to get at last. And now we are going to check out the cake shop, which is right opposite to these lantern shops. It's called 卓越食品餅家. To get this year, we want to get 豬籠餅, 豬仔餅, and only one mooncake left. So during the Mid-Autumn Festival, we will buy mooncake with the lotus paste inside. So probably they get the last mooncake today. And with lotus paste and also salted egg yolk, they also have the one with nuts. So the price is around $66 per one because the 蓮蓉, the lotus paste, is quite expensive. So for baker to test the oven temperature before they put the mooncake inside, they will put a small pieces of dough into the oven and make it into different shapes so they can also sell it out. And the price is $5.50 and they make it into the shape of a Buddha, a chick 雞仔, and then fish, 魚, and also piggy. So that is why it's called 豬仔餅. They even have the big 錦鯉, the giant coil fish. And then eventually it will be placed inside the piggy cage. So we get the 豬仔餅. And that is obviously not $40. That would be very expensive. That would be $18. And then this is the tiny piggy lying down. I have the rabbit in my collection. I have this goldfish in my collection and also the star fruit. So this year I get something different. It is this goldfish. So when you look at the bottom, you can place the candle here and then this goldfish will shine. $48. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Check out our Instagram for everything about Hong Kong and subscribe to our channel. Happy Mid-Autumn Festival. Get some nice lanterns and also mooncake. Bye bye. See you soon.